If CapCut is giving you the couldn't sign in error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it has nothing to do with your password. It's usually caused by network restrictions, cached data, time settings, or too many active sign-in sessions, so follow along carefully, and by the end of this tutorial, you should have a much better chance of signing in successfully. And before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, check your network connection. CapCut can be very sensitive to network restrictions, especially if you're using a VPN, firewall, proxy, or a restricted Wi-Fi network. If you have a VPN turned on, turn it off temporarily and try signing in again. If you're on a work, school, or public network, switch to a different connection if possible, because those networks often block the type of access CapCut needs. It's also a good idea to restart your router or switch to a mobile hotspot just to test whether the issue is network related. If CapCut works on a different connection, then you know the problem is with your current network rather than your account. Next, clear the cache in CapCut on PC. Over time, temporary files can become corrupted and prevent the app from logging in properly. To do this, open CapCut on your computer and go to Settings. Look for the cache size option and then click the delete icon to clear it. This removes stored temporary data that may be interfering with your sign-in process. After clearing the cache, close CapCut completely and reopen it before trying to sign in again. This small step often fixes login problems that seem much bigger than they really are. Now let's move on to another important fix, setting your device time automatically. If your computer's date and time are incorrect, CapCut login tokens can fail or expire even if everything else looks fine. On Windows or Mac, open your date and time settings and make sure set time automatically is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and back on again to refresh the setting. Also make sure your time zone is correct. A wrong clock can cause authentication problems, especially when a service like CapCut tries to verify your account. Once that's done, restart your computer and try signing in again. The final fix is to log out of CapCut on your mobile device, web browser, or any other devices where your account may already be active. Sometimes the account gets stuck because there are too many open sessions or an authentication glitch between devices. Sign out from CapCut on all other devices, including your phone, tablet, or browser if you're logged in there. Then restart your PC and try logging in again on the main device only. This refreshes your account session and can clear up conflicts that stop the sign-in process from working. If you still can't sign in after trying all of these steps, it may help to update CapCut, reset your network settings, or wait a little while and try again later if CapCut servers are temporarily having issues. But in most cases, one of the fixes in this video will solve the problem. So just to recap, check your network, clear the CapCut cache, set your device time automatically, and log out of other active sessions before trying again. If this guide helped you fix the CapCut couldn't sign in issue, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.